My dear students, welcome back to my YouTube English channel, English with Malik Sir. In the previous segment, we have discussed about definition of auxiliary verb, how auxiliary verb is also known as supporting or helping verb, how auxiliary verbs are of two types. One is primary auxiliary verb and the other is a modal auxiliary verb. Primary auxiliary verbs are of three types. One is a be verb, another is a have verb, and a do verb. Moreover, we have also discussed about the use of be verb as an auxiliary verb, as a linking verb, and side by side as a main verb. In today's segment, I would like to draw your attention towards the use of have verb. Like be verb, have verb is also used frequently in our spoken and written English. This is Unit 11 in connection with the verb series, which is meant for the students from the basic to advanced level. Okay, how to use have verb. This is the topic of our discussion today. Have is a versatile verb in the sense it is used in multiple ways in our spoken and written English. Okay, yes. How? Let's see the first point. As a primary auxiliary verb, have is used only in perfect and perfect progressive aspects of present, past, and future. Let's see any examples. This is the first time he has won the match. Here has auxiliary verb won main verb. This is the present perfect. Next, I have just here have auxiliary verb and had is the main verb. I have just had my breakfast. It means I have just taken or eaten my breakfast. This is also present perfect. The train had already left the station. Had auxiliary verb and left main verb. Past perfect. They might have enjoyed the party. Might modal auxiliary verb, have auxiliary verb, and enjoyed main verb. They might have enjoyed the party yesterday. We shall have been living. Here we have modal auxiliary verb, primary auxiliary verb, and living main verb. We shall have been living here for next 20 years. Here future perfect progressive aspect. Okay, this is the way how we use to have as an auxiliary verb. Point 2, as a possessive verb. As a possessive verb, have expresses possession or ownership. In this case, it is used as a main verb. How? Let's see. I have a nice garden. Here, have is not auxiliary verb. Have is a main verb. Here, the speaker is the owner of a nice garden. If we change into negative, in a British way of negative, I have not a nice garden. But in American way, I don't have a nice garden. Both the American way and the British way are accepted here in India. Mrs. Das has long hair. It means Mrs. Das is the possessor of long hair. If we change into negative, then Mrs. Das has not long hair in British way, but in American way, Mrs. Das doesn't have long hair. Do you have much wealth? You can say yes, I have much wealth, or I don't have much wealth. Now come to the next idea. Point 3. Have is used to express obligation and compulsion. Let's see in the examples. She had to resign her job. Here, had expresses compulsion. You have to finish the work by evening. Yes, it means the speaker here compels somebody to finish the work by evening, the latest time. Here, have expresses compulsion. I have to attend the meeting. Here, obligation. It means it is my duty. Yes, and I have to perform. Everybody has to follow the traffic rules, expressing obligation. It is also the civic duty of everybody. In this way, how we can use have to express obligation and compulsion. Okay, yes. Now come to the next point. As a full verb or main verb, have is used to express the meaning of take, receive, and enjoy. Yes, this is very interesting factor. Let's see how have means take any meal or any drink or any bath. See in examples. Do you have coffee in winter? Here, the question maker wants to know whether you take or drink coffee in winter. Therefore, have expresses here the idea of take or drink. Yes, my mother has her bath early in the morning. It means my mother takes her bath early in the morning. The next example, they had dinner. Here, had auxiliary verb, another had main verb. It means they had already taken or eaten their dinner before my arrival. And here, first had is auxiliary verb, second had is the main verb, and this is past perfect aspect. Have means receive or get any letter or parcel or money order or job, baby, gift, etc. How? Listen, he will definitely have a nice job. Here will auxiliary verb and have main verb. He will, here the speaker is sure that he will get a job. Have a job means get a job. Okay, next come, my neighbor had a baby last night. Means my neighbor got a baby last night. Okay, now see, I didn't have any gift from my uncle. It means I didn't receive or get any gift from my uncle last birthday. She had her hair cut. Here, her hair has been used as a causative verb. Causative verb means whenever we get our work done by another person, in that case, the verb becomes causative. It means she herself didn't cut her hair. She got barber or anybody to cut her hair. Okay, I have my clothes washed by the washerman. This is a causative verb, expresses the meaning, passive meaning. Here the speaker doesn't wash his clothes himself. He gets his clothes washed by the washerman. Okay, and therefore I have my clothes. It means I get my clothes washed by the washerman. Okay, the third point, how have is also a main verb expressing the meaning of enjoy. Any holiday or festival or party, picnic, game, and so on. Let's see how in examples have a nice birthday. Okay, whenever we wish our friend have a nice birthday, have a good day, etc. Here have main verb expressing means enjoy a nice birthday. My friends had main verb had a grand picnic last week. Had means enjoyed. Next, Mr. Patnaik is having this summer vacation at Simla. Enjoying. It means Mr. Patnaik is enjoying this summer vacation at Simla. They are having a tea party next Sunday. planning action for future means they are enjoying a tea party next Sunday. We have fun in many ways. Means we enjoy fun in different ways. In conclusion, I would like to draw your attention towards the fact that have is really a very interesting verb which is not only used as an auxiliary verb, it is used as a main verb to express possession, to express obligation or duty, to express compulsion. Side by side, it is used to express the meaning of take, get or receive, enjoy. Okay, so these are very interesting ways how we use have as an auxiliary verb and have as a main verb. Okay, the more we know about all this, the more we can express ourselves confidently at the time of speaking and writing. Okay, go through the video from the beginning to the end and try to understand the importance of have verb and utilize in your academic and side by side day to day spoken and written English. Thank you for being with me and following me side by side, listening me sincerely. See you in the next class with another item. Till then, goodbye.